Hi guys, welcome back to the Cold Factory. It's Raquel. Today's video is going to be a comparison video between two South African cream stylers. Today you're going to see the application and the results for a Vana Naturals cream as well as a Ruthies Beauty Emporium cream. But before we get into application and results, please subscribe to my channel and follow me on social media. Guys, my footage got lost. However, there is going to be footage of what day 2 hair looks like and my thoughts. So if you do hear me referring to day 1 hair, that's the footage that got lost, but you will definitely see what day 2 hair looks like. So I had to refilm this. So on this side of my hair, I went in with the Vana Naturals Make Me Curly. This is a moisturizing hibiscus curl defining and styling cream with argan oil as well as shea butter. So I applied this in larger sections. The consistency of this is a little bit pasty. It's like a light pink type of color. And it does have a bit of a strong smell. It's not a bad smell. There's no coconut, so there's no tropical holiday going on here. So I did apply this in sections, quite larger sections on this side of my hair. And on the other side, I went in with the Ruthies cream. This is the curl cream, also Curly Girl approved. And it says on here that it's the Ruthies Hair Care Curl Cream. I applied this in sections as well. Very different consistency. This has more of like a whipped consistency and it's white in color. It melts into the hair. The Vana Naturals for me kind of sits on the hair a little bit, but this soaks into the hair nicely. I applied it into larger sections, so I actually prefer the application of the Ruthies compared to the Vana Naturals just in terms of application. I find that the Vana Naturals does smell better than the Ruthies cream in my personal opinion. This has a very, very strong smell for me. Again, no coconut or tropical holiday kind of smell. So you guys have seen the application of both creams, and now I'll insert day 2 and my thoughts. Guys, it's day 2, so this is what my hair looks like in the morning, and I really need to trim my fringe, but I did refresh my hair and I didn't need to do a lot of refreshing. I did spray a little bit of water on my hair and I didn't have to add any product whatsoever on the Vana Natural side or on the Rudy's Beauty Emporium side. So this is what day 2 hair looks like in terms of feel. The Rudy side is a lot softer than the Vana Natural side. Also in my fringe a little bit of frizz, and I think I can take responsibility for that. Because there's a cast, when you break it or separate it, use an oil. I didn't do that just to prevent some type of frizz. But I am happy. I really, really, really am happy. More hold as well on the Vana Natural side in terms of feel. So I can tell that I'll have more hold or longer hold, especially tomorrow. And I might have to add a little bit more product on the Ruthie side because the hold is not as firm as the Vana Natural side. But you guys can see the results earlier on or previously with my intro and the rest of the video. You're seeing what day 1 hair looks like, and this is what day 2 hair looks like, and it's in the morning also for both of them. I've just finished exercising as well, didn't have to do much refreshing either, so I am happy with the results on both sides. Guys, so that's the end of this video. You guys can see the results, decide which side you like and prefer. As always, drop your comments down below and you'll see me again in another video. Bye.